Hi, I'm Sudhakshina, or how my colleagues like to call me, Chef Su. As a child, I loved pastries so much that I decided to make it my career to make pastries. I started my journey at ICCA in the year 2014, but I was very surprised I learned so much in just 3 months. Thereafter, I joined a well-known Australian cafe here in Dubai, and I put all the skills I learned in ICCA in that kitchen. It was actually in that cafe that I realized I have this love for bread, so I decided to go to Le Cordon Bleu in Paris and be a part of the Artisan Bread Making course. It was actually a 6-month course, and everybody asked me, did you learn bread for 6 months? Actually, 6 months was not enough. There was so much to learn, and it was a beautiful, beautiful time that I spent over there. After that, I came back to Dubai and joined another wonderful cafe which specialized in sourdoughs, croissants, which is something I learned back at Le Cordon Bleu Paris. So I would like to take this opportunity to thank both ICCA Dubai and Le Cordon Bleu Paris for making me who I am today. And if I have to say something to the future chefs out there, be extremely passionate of what you're doing, and trust me, it'll be worth it.